Alright, so right here before me I have a window that actually has tint on the glass. Like I mentioned before, you do not want to use your razor, your scraper on the tint, nor do you want to use your white scrubbing pad on this. Both will damage the tint, and you don't want to have to replace the tinting. So that limits you to what tools you can use on this window, especially if it has dog snot or food or you name it. You know, every house is different. You're going to come across all different kinds of dirty windows. So you're limited to your washing wand and your squeegee. Now, using a squeegee on a window with tint, you can even hear it. It has a little more of a squeegee sticking sound because the tint is going to want to stick to the rubber on your squeegee. So you're going to have to pull your squeegee with a little more force. I've been in homes where the tint was so bad that I actually had to two-hand the squeegee like this in order to pull the squeegee fast enough, because if it doesn't pull fast enough, it will actually stick to the tint and then it will leave a line on the tint. So you want to make sure that you're squeegeeing fast enough on a tinted window. This window is actually even more difficult because it's so narrow and long that I'm limited to how I can maneuver my squeegee and how fast I can pull the squeegee. So cleaning a window with tint is challenging. If you're cleaning an entire house that has tint, well, just be prepared that it's going to be a little more difficult. It's not going to be as easy to do. You'll get through it, and just going to have to maintain a positive attitude. You know, I never like cleaning windows that have a tint on the inside, just because it does limit you so much and it does slow you down. You know, the squeegee wants to stick to the tint. Some window cleaners will use different lubricants that they put in with their solution. Can't think of one off the top of my head at the moment, but they do exist. I don't have any experience with those. I've just never chosen to use that because most of the windows I clean in most homes don't have a whole house full of tinted windows. This house actually only has looks like 4 windows that are tinted. So that's the deal with tinting, and good luck.